Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yulisyawati. I'm from PIAUD Study Program. I'm from class Cepu. This is my achievement. The questions number 1. Explain the significance of adopting a specific approach when studying religions. How does this approach influence the understanding of religion's phenomenon? The answer is because it is important to use an approach in religions, and it helps to understanding religion's teaching more deeply and applicatively, and avoid narrow and rigid understanding. The right approach can optimize the functions of religion as a medium to achieve happiness in the world and the hereafter, and provide practical solutions in dealing with social and personal problems. Questions number 2. Describe the circumstance and environments in which Prophet Muhammad received the first revelations. Why did he choose to meditate in the cave? What was his reactions to the first revelations? The answer is he meditated and thought about religion of Abraham. This was done by him because he refused to accept the belief of the people of Mecca, who worship idols. When the prophet received the revelation from God, and when he became sure, then began to call people to accept the new religions. Questions number 3. Discuss the meaning and importance of the revelation in Islam. How is it different from other forms of divine communications? The answer is revelation is a direct message from Allah to His Prophet, usually delivered through the angel Gabriel. Revelation is very important because it forms the foundation of Islamic teachings and the content of the Quran. The difference is revelation is clear and certain and only given to prophet. Other forms like inspiration of dreams can come to ordinary people, but they are not on the same level as revelations and are not used as source of law. Questions number 4. Summarize the main message of the first revelation received by Prophet Muhammad. How did this message challenge the belief of the people of Mecca at the time? The answer is the first revelation said, "Read in the name of thy Lord." So created man from blood gods. Read, thy Lord is most beneficial. He taught by pen, taught man what he knew not. The religion was based on the oneness and God, worshipping only Allah and giving up the worship of idols. And the first revelation he was taught, warn your close relatives. Number 5. Identify the first individual who accepted Islam after the Prophet received the initial revelation. What does their accept suggest about the early spread of Islam? Answer is the first revelation said, warn your close relatives. Then the Prophet Muhammad taught his close family, relative, and carried out his da'wah secretly. Questions number 6. Analyze the role of Archangel Gabriel in the process revelations. How did Gabriel unfoldment affirm Prophet Muhammad prophethood? Answer is 1. Deliver the first revelation in the cave of Hira. 2. incarnate as a male human. 3. Loud sound like a bell. 4. True dreams. And 5. Showing this true from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Questions number 7. Compare and contrast the Islamic concept of revelation with the understanding of revelation in other Abrahamic religions. What make the Islamic perspective unique? Answer. Islam has a deeper understanding of the concept of God and its attributes, which distinguishes it from other Abraham religions. Unique from an Islamic perspective, impacts and the perfections of the Quran, enables emphasis of Tawhid, role of the Prophet Muhammad as the recipient of the final revelations, concept of the complete revelations. Questions number 8. Discuss the gradual development of the Islamic community Ummah during the earliest year of Islam. What strategy did the Prophet want to invite people the new faith? Answer is number 1 is secret da'wah. Secret da'wah is conveying Islam teaching to them close to you, such as families and friends. And the number 2 is overt da'wah, is conveying Islam teaching to various places, such as on the sofa, is in various gatherings. Questions number 9. Explain the historical and religious significance of the command "warn your relatives" received by the Prophet there years after the first Prophet approach to spreading Islam. Answer. Prophet Muhammad was asked to preach to his family and friends during the first 3 years of Mecca. This was part of strategy of secret preaching carried out to build a strong foundations. And first is secret preachings. 2. Initial strategy objective. 3. Choice of initial da'wah. The questions number 10. Reflect on the broad impact of the dawn of Islam on Arabian society. What were some of the immediate social or religious changes that occurred as a result of the new teaching influenced by Prophet Muhammad? Answer is 1. Islam restricted the persecution. Answer 1. Islam restricted the practice of ignorance, such as killing baby girls, free sex, and slavery. 2. Islam united various tribes that were often at war under one religion's umbrella, reducing divisions and strengthening social solidarity. 3. Islam protections and night for women. And the last, replacement of belief systems. This is my assessment. Thank you, sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.